Assessments is the fourth object-driven module in our navigational structure. It may include a variety of tools to aid in gathering data on performance and understanding. Assignments. Click on an assignment you wish to view. Based on your instructor's requirement, your submission can either be created as an assignment entry field or uploaded as an assignment file. Once your assignment is submitted, your instructor can either download it or grade it within SOL and enter a score with feedback. If the instructor has provided a rubric, you can view it using the blue button at the top of the page. If the instructor has provided directions or a description for an assignment, they would also be listed at the top of the screen. Exams. Open exams are available from the exam page. Exams utilizing the SOL Lockdown browser will be defined next to the exam name. The SOL Lockdown browser is available for download from any exam with a browser enabled. This prevents users from printing, copying, going to another URL, or accessing other applications during the exam. Exam environment. Once you select the exam, you will be given the option to watch a tutorial or launch the exam. Timer. Some exams are timed. While you are taking the exam, the timer icon will be displayed above the legend icon at the top left of the screen. Hover over the clock icon to see the amount of time remaining at any point during the exam. You can also click the timer icon to display the timer on the bottom of the page for the entirety of the exam. When there are 5 minutes or less left, the timer will turn red. Calculator. Some exams will display a calculator during the exam at the top right. It can be accessed by clicking the green View Calculator button. The calculator can be hidden by clicking the red Hide Calculator button. The calculator will only be displayed if it has been enabled by the exam creator. Questions. There are also helpful features you may utilize while taking the exam, like flagging a question. Click the flag icon if you would like to mark the question so that you can return to it later. Once you click the flag icon, it will turn red, and flagged questions show up as red in the legend as well. Taking notes. Click the blue pencil icon to leave yourself a note about the question. Clicking it turns the blue icon and the text box pops open. Cross out potential answers. For multiple choice and true-false questions, you can click the answer option to cross it out with a red line. Highlighting. Clicking part of the question itself will allow you to highlight a certain word or phrase within the question. Clicking the yellow water droplet icon will remove all highlights from that particular question. You can also use a legend to manually choose a question. Save and submit. For exams that deliver one question at a time, click the green Save button to the right of the screen once you have chosen your answer. Then click the arrow for the next question. For exams that deliver all questions at once, you will click the green Save button next to each question and scroll down for the next. Once questions are saved, the question icon in the legend will turn green. Hit Finish when you have completed the exam, then Save and Submit exam, or go back to make edits. Gradebook. The instructor must have released grades in order for you to view them in the gradebook. You will only see grades that have been finalized and released, so your final grade will only reflect these grades. Surveys. Clicking Surveys will provide a list of surveys that are accessible through the course. Last, Turnitin. It is an integrated, internet-based plagiarism detection service your instructor may choose to utilize.